Cycling is one of the best aerobic workouts for people of all fitness levels. Cycling has many benefits. Cycling engages the entire lower body without putting too much stress on the joints. Cycling will straighten the back of the thighs, quadriceps, shins, and buttocks. In addition, cycling is also a great workout for the core muscles because you have to keep the body in the right position. If you cycle every day for 1 hour, then in a month you can burn about 1,600 grams of fat. Cycling greatly increases stamina. Thanks to regular cycling, you increase the overall endurance of the body. You feel more fresh, more active and stronger. It's easier to endure stress during the working day, and your emotional background stabilizes. Among other things, the endurance of the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, and of course muscle endurance increases. The cardio load provided by cycling helps to straighten the heart muscle, increase vascular tone, reduce the level of bad and increase the level of good cholesterol. This greatly reduces the risk of heart disease. Cycling as a whole makes blood circulation more rational and efficient. In people who regularly ride a bicycle, the heart switches to a more reasonable mode of operation, thanks to which the resource of the heart is saved, its premature wear and tear, and the onset of all kinds of heart diseases are prevented. When cycling, the lungs work much more actively than usual. During long, at least for an hour, cycling, the lungs of a person work almost to the maximum. Thanks to forced ventilation, the lungs are more quickly released from toxic subroads. By constantly stabilizing your body while cycling, you improve your sense of balance, coordination, and posture. All this will be useful to you in everyday life to avoid falls and related injuries. Cycling increases the flow of blood and oxygen to the brain, which activates and restores the receptors, promotes the creation of new brain cells in the hippocampus, the area that is responsible for memory. In addition, authors, musicians, artists, executives, and many other professionals use cycling to switch and stimulate creative thinking. Indeed, due to the increased flow of oxygen to the brain, neural activity is activated. Regular cycling helps slow down skin aging. This is because increased blood circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to skin cells more efficiently while removing harmful toxins. Cycling also creates ideal conditions for the production of collagen, which in turn helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles.